Alright, today we're going to be checking out the Osprey Farpoint 40 carry-on slash backpack for hiking and for, in my case, cycling. Well, I'm probably going to be using this for both hiking and cycling. Let's take it out of the bag here. So this is the Farpoint Osprey or Osprey Farpoint 40, made in Vietnam. As of right now, I believe this is currently in its luggage carry-on position, because you can indeed take this on an aircraft and use this bag basically as a carry-on for your luggage. So this is the back of the backpack, this is the rear of it, and this is the front of the bag. Very nice logo right there. Made in Vietnam, like I said. These buckles seem very well made. Seems like a durable backpack that will hold up over time. I will definitely be using it, possibly abusing it, so you want to have something that can hold up to it. Hold up to its name, am I right? Alright, so here's the front of the bag. I'm gonna have to learn how to use this thing. It has got a ton of compartments. I do like the nice bright green liner inside of the bag. That's pretty neat. This is a 40-liter bag, by the way. So you do have quite a bit of luggage space inside of this thing. So, I believe this is where the straps for your back will go, because like I said, this is currently in luggage mode or carry-on mode. Yeah, there they are. So I'm gonna have to figure out how this thing works. That may sound silly because this is a backpack and I'm gonna have to learn how to use it, but yeah, I'm guessing somehow, some way. Oh boy, this can turn out to be a very, very sloppy video, so I'm just going to leave those in there as is for the time being until I actually figure out how to properly dismantle that and basically put it into backpack mode. So I don't want to look like a klutz because I honestly do not know what I'm doing at that point. But here's the front of the bag. Here's the side of the bag. Okay, so carry-on size. I'm hoping the camera can focus on that. Right there. The Osprey or Osprey Farpoint 40. Paperwork. It's got their almighty guarantee. So this is more of an unboxing and quick first look at the thing. Once again, there's the front of it. Lots of different compartments here and there, that is for sure. I will definitely be using this in my future videos. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to mention, this is a medium-large size. It says right here, M/L, 18 to 22 inches. So, as far as sizing goes, this is a medium-large, 18 to 22 inches. The bottom of the bag. Like I said, made in Vietnam. It does feel quite good in the hand. Like I said, I'm going to be putting this thing through its paces this upcoming spring, summer, and fall, even possibly currently in the winter here in Ontario. But yeah, I'm going to be using this for my cycling and for my hiking. I got lots of storage capacity in here. I'm currently using a Blue Ice 45-liter bag, but really that thing is actually, I believe, marketed for rock climbing. It only has a couple of zippers, very large in compartments, but this of course has more than one compartment. I think this is going to be much more useful for what I'm going to actually be using it for. Farpoint 40. So that's the Osprey Farpoint 40 backpack. Right now it is in its carry-on mode. I gotta learn how to use this thing, dismantle it, and basically get it in knapsack mode. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. If you enjoyed the video, drop a comment. See you guys in the next video.